What does the number mean on Snapchat? So first open up your Snapchat application. So here you will have your chats, right? And on the right side of a chat, you will have the number. But I don't have those numbers right here, but you will have the number. So those numbers are just the snap streaks. So the number shows how many days you have maintained that streak. So if you send a snap to a random person, and if that particular person sends you the snap or replies to your snap, then you will have that streak. From that day onwards, you will develop that streaks. And if you continuously send these snaps, like if it continuously goes on between you two, then as the day passes, your streaks will be increased. So that's it. That's the number of counts or the number of days since you have maintained that streaks. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.